Okay, point of no return. I'm gonna drive it up and down the pavement to make sure that it's wheels straight.
Okay.
And then we'll take off. Take it off that dirt.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta turn the lights on too. There we go. Yeah, this isn't my favorite place to flown so far, that's for damn sure. No, that's too bumpy. Go up here on this little dirt path.
Okay.
Seems all right.
Good.
I've never used one of these on this plane before, so I gotta form an opinion about whether or not I want to ever buy one again. Still recording.
How do you tell how much power you have? Do you have
I just kind of feel it out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and when it gets low, it starts to beep, and this starts to beep, but that means it's like about to, you know.
Okay. That means you better land it quick?
But even when the motor completely dies, there's enough to where you can still actuate the control surfaces and glide it in. But when you have only a, like I knew I had to land right here, you know.
Yeah.
So that's why I brought it in when there was still power.
Yeah.
There's still good pull on it. Watch, hold it, like hold the center of it there, down there by the window. Yeah, you can just hold it like this and throttle up and just go.
Yeah.
Some people fly it without the wheels like that because it makes it easier to do loops.
Yeah.
You know? The flaps would only go about this much, right? So it wouldn't be able to do barrel rolls, but I put long ass oval on. And the tail and stuff.
Right.
Oh, I didn't do a flat. I'm not gonna do it again. I just wanted The only thing is you have to land it like and let the tail kind of scrape, because otherwise the front wheel digs in and it just flips right over. 3 feet it goes whoop. Or it ends up stuck like this, just standing there.
Yeah.
And people go, "Oh, you crashed it!" Like. See, the steering is connected to the same servo as the rudder, you know, just like the real one, but yeah, sometimes at the end of the battery, if I'm at the school by my house, the running track, I'll drive it up and down the track, you know, and get it to going fast enough to where it comes off the ground just like a foot or two, you know, and fly by like that and just land again back and forth until the battery runs out, you know, like just that nose cone, those washers are not quite exactly tight. So see how the nose cone's wobbling? It's awesome. Okay, you're